To add a music bot to Discord, start by searching for Jockie Music on Google and clicking on the first website that appears, which is jockeymusic.com. On this site, you'll find 4 different versions of the bot, and you can invite any of them to your Discord server. Select the one you want, and you'll be redirected to a page that says Discord app launch. Click Continue to Discord, and make sure you have the Discord app open in the background. Next, select the server you want to add the bot to. Then press Continue. It's recommended to give the bot administrator privileges for it to work better. Press Authorize. Then verify that you're human by clicking I am human. After a few seconds, the bot will be added to your server, and you'll receive a notification. The bot will also provide you with basic instructions and links to a support server and website in case you have any further questions. That's it, the music bot is now added to your Discord server.